Conversation in Tigrinya Part 2 ዝርርብ ብቋንቋ ትግርኛ ካልኣይ ክፋል Afternoon greetings, responses, and saying goodbye. Afternoon greetings. Greeting one female. كمي وعلكي كمي وعلكي كمي وعلكي Greeting one male. كمي وعلكا كمي وعلكا كمي وعلكا وعلكي وعلكا They both mean
How is your day so far? Or how was your day?
greeting two or more females. كما وعلكن كما وعلكن كما وعلكن greeting two or more males. كما وعلكم كما وعلكم وعلكن وعلكم greeting a mix of males and females. كما وعلكم كما وعلكم
They both mean how is your day so far? Or how was your day?
Responses to afternoon greetings. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን meaning thanks to God thanks to God or አምላክ ይመስገን አምላክ ይመስገን አምላክ ይመስገን meaning thanks to God thanks to God or ጽቡቅ አምላክ ይመስገን ጽቡቅ አምላክ ይመስገን meaning good or fine thanks to God or ደሓኔ አምላክ ይመስገን ደሓኔ አምላክ ይመስገን meaning I am okay thanks to God or I am all right thanks to God saying goodbye in the afternoon saying goodbye to one female ደሓን ኣምሲ ደሓን ኣምሲ ደሓን ኣምሲ saying goodbye to one male ደሓን ኣምሲ ደሓን ኣምሲ ኣምሲ أمسي ي They both mean may you have a good evening. May you have a good evening. Saying goodbye to two or more females. دهن أمسية دهن أمسية دهن أمسية Saying goodbye to two or more males. دهن أمسيو دهن أمسيو أمسية أمسيو Saying goodbye to a mix of males and females. دهن أمسيو دهن أمسيو They all mean may you have a good evening. Or you can just say Bruchmishet, Bruchmishet, meaning may you have a blessed evening. May you have a blessed evening. Or you can say Sanaimshet, 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 meaning may you have a good evening. يغني الليل يغني الليل